Hi, my name is Carol. I was diagnosed with bladder cancer, and I want to tell you about the experience I've had at Utopia Wellness. From the very first initial conversation I had over the phone to get information, I felt a warmth and a professional attitude. Felt like this is somewhere I wanted to check out. Made an appointment that day. At the very first consultation with Dr. Garcia, he imparted so much information to my family and I that I felt comfortable, and I said right at that moment, I'm in. This is where I want to be. I felt comfortable. I felt they knew what they were doing, and I needed to be here. I have practiced as much as I could holistic, homeopathic medicines for many, many, many years. I because of different experiences over the years with family, I didn't trust traditional, conventional medicine. So there wasn't any doubt in my mind that when I was when they said I had cancer, this is the way I needed to go. I wasn't going to do the conventional.
Mm-hmm.
It was, the first week was overwhelming, intense with information. You don't know if you're what's going to happen, so therefore you're frightened. And it's, am I going to be able to get through the program? Am I going to be able to do what they're asking me to do? But by the second week, I became comfortable. I learned so much. And as time went on, you learn even more. And when we hear Utopia is there and you're there to heal body, mind, and soul, I found that to be the absolute truth. Well, the days, every day started with infusion of one kind or another. The program going from one specialty to another was interesting. The most interesting part was being able to talk to the other patients present, some former, who imparted so much information as well. We shared a lot. I learned a lot from them. I especially learned it's not over when I leave here today. Today is 8 weeks. And I'm going to miss everybody that was here because they were all wonderful. But it's not over. Utopia does not ever go with the one size fits all, and that's not the way it is. Everybody's treated as an individual. The program is set up for that individual's needs, and to know that I'm leaving now, but I can call any one of them at any time. I'm coming back for follow-up treatments for a number of months, maybe years. I feel like part of the family, like they care about me and I care about them. I love the way everybody in the front office is cross-trained.
Uh-huh.
There's never a patient waiting for anything, because if Wasey's not available, you'll jump in. Sabrina will jump, anybody will jump in. I like that. That's really great. Oh, I feel wonderful. I feel wonderful. It was a little scary because when I got here, I felt fine. I thought I felt fine. I didn't see any differences. But as I was here, because of the detox and other things, I had a couple of nights that I didn't really feel very well, and that was kind of scary. But that's kind of over now, and the immune system is kicking back in, or has kicked back in. I feel great. He is very straightforward. He's so knowledgeable. He has an easy way of explaining why he is asking you to do this or that, this treatment or that treatment. He was hard on me because I refused one of the treatments that he was recommending, because I was told if I didn't do it, I wouldn't heal my body. I wouldn't heal the cancer. And he was tough on me, but he knew what he was doing, obviously. Yes, I think he's a very caring man. I am in awe of the knowledge that he has. And he says he has surrounded himself with good people, so he doesn't know it all himself. You know, he finds out where he needs to find out, and he's a very caring person. But I certainly will try to impart what my experience has been, and maybe they can take a little bit of that to at least look into it for themselves.
Right.
You know, I don't want to go home and preach. I won't do that. But I know that just the little things I may say or do, or at dinner when they see what I'm eating or how I'm eating, if it can help someone else to realize if this ever happened to them, they need to look into holistic rather than conventional. Oh, you better believe it. You better believe it. This has been a great experience, and I have learned so much. I think they are so helpful to everyone. The groups were sharing the information with each other, and Jake bringing, I don't know how he does it either, bringing the right words out. And what he's taught me is not only how to get rid of my sacred cow and, you know, do all of that good stuff, but I'm changing the way I speak. I would have said, I'm so anxious to go home. No, I can't say that anymore. Now I have to say, I'm looking forward to go home. Because if I say I'm anxious, I'm causing acid in my body. Just making you think. Because what comes out of your mouth sometimes is what stays in your brain. And I've learned a lot. This has been emotionally, mentally, physically, so beneficial.
Thank you.